The title of this show is called STAYDREAM. Seven pieces we exhibit here is actually enhancing the kind of unique capacity of the design and then technology and the hospitality from the Stellar Works kind of craftsmanship and then kind of the legacy. So then kind of 7 pieces explaining the each different area from the living room entrance and the dining room here and then some of the lounge areas and then going down to the downstairs and then having the kind of in-house garden type of experience, and then in the end you have a bedroom. Outside in is that kind of concept we explored together with Stellar Works team. Outside in is just kind of the hint how we can change the kind of normal life, kind of being inside. So then I had a hint from the visual Stellar Works always use for their key visual, which is that they put their furniture on the outside scene, like a park or forest or seaside or riverside. I was so inspired from the visual. Maybe we can create kind of same atmosphere, maybe digitally, technologically, kind of feeling that kind of outside really comfort, wind or really calm sound from the bird or trees and the nature. So then we kind of find out how to bring those outside feeling in. Then we kind of working together with Stellar Works to sometimes using their furniture or their light, and then sometimes we might need to make original furniture with them to create the sound and then visual. And also we also brought our pure 100% Sony's technology product into this space as well. Most of this exhibit actually using the sensor, the Sony sensor, to capture the people's movement. Even it can capture the mood or even atmosphere or temperature or even feeling. And then we try to find out how to express that invisible kind of feeling through the camera, and then translating into experience through the sound and the visual, even vibrations and then contents. So actually sensor now has the ability to see not just the movement, even the capacity to understand the kind of number of the people, what kind of feeling. So I think you can see such a kind of ambient type of really subtle movement from even just one piece of light or kind of sound. I think you can feel it.
Our company's purpose is fulfill the world with the emotions through the power of creativity and the technology. It's really a nice challenge to deliver how we can deliver emotional value with creativity and the technology. It's a great challenge, and I'm very much excited about this this time trial in one of the famous city of art in New York.
The calico kind of wall coverings are really big kind of core element of this space. We thought this new collection is really brilliant to reflect this lighting, even casting the shadow on the wall, which looks like a movement. And then the one on the front, the wallpaper called the Escape series, we are so inspired from that collection because it looks like a mountain, but in a different angle, it looks like a river, seashore from the bird's eye view. So then, okay, maybe we can try to, change the visual by maybe projection, by technology. And then even we can make the wallpaper moves, which might enhance your kind of feeling and the mood. Even you can move something on the table, even the kind of visual on the wallpaper can also move. So how we can interact with the wallpaper, which is normally stay still, but now is even wallpaper also can kind of show its feeling. Yeah, of course, outside in is a kind of a part of the kind of discussion together with the STELLAWORKS, how we can change the mood or kind of feeling or experience, even being in the inside. So then bringing the nature outside to feel air into inside is really, really unique experience. But at the same time, kind of bringing the outside in might be a kind of good trigger for you to think about the nature or even earth or sustainability. So that's why real material like this, and then this wood or stone, kind of shape of even mountain, actually trigger you to think kind of seriously about sustainability. Because I think STELLAWORKS also has a really kind of strong message about sustainability. So we also kind of doing same. So I think outside in also can kind of support that kind of the vision too.